Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn all about persistence pendrive. So, what is persistence pendrive? Persistence pendrive is fully loaded computer inside a pendrive. This is my persistence pendrive. It looks like simple pendrive, but it is fully loaded with Parrot Security OS, which means I can use this pendrive to transform any simple computer into a hacking computer. This pendrive have all necessary tools for penetrations, hacking, and testing security. Now, let's see how to use this pendrive. First we will see how to use it and benefits of it. Then, we will see how to make it. Plug your persistence pendrive. Turn off the PC and press the power button to open the PC. Now, immediately press escape button many times to load startup menu option. If you want to know more about this, visit gbprat.com or watch the tutorial link in the description. For now, I want to go into boot manager to boot this PC using persistence pendrive. So I will choose boot device options. To select boot device options, press the hotkey F9. Now, this is your boot manager. Now, you can select your bootable pendrive to load new operating system, format PC, or you can upgrade the PC by selecting bootable pendrive. Now select your USB and hit enter. My pendrive is loaded with Parrot Security OS. Now, select the persistence option. Don't worry, I will show you how I configured persistence pendrive. Advantage of the persistence pendrive is you can run your hacking computer in any PC. Just plug your persistence pendrive and boot that PC using your pendrive. That's it. You are ready to go. This process takes less than 1 minute. If you are having trouble, ask your question in the comment. Don't skip any part, maybe you can lose some important information. Now, I can use this PC as my hacking device. There is many tools which will help me to gather information about the target. You can use that all tool in any laptop or PC. Just plug your pendrive and use it. There is many tools to crack passwords and test security of any device or website. Spend some time here to get familiar with it. I will teach you normal hacking like password cracking and other things later, not in this video. You can save your work folder and files here that will not be deleted because it's persistence pendrive and I already configured it. If you will not configure the persistence, your work folder and files will get deleted. Now, let's see how we can make this persistence pendrive. Here is some pre-requirements. Make sure you are ready with it. Pre-requirements are available in the descriptions. Be sure to check it out. Let's have quick tutorial again. First, download the Rufus software. Now search for Parrot Security OS. Download the Parrot Security OS from its official site. Now, here is our both downloaded software and the image file. As you know, what we are going to do next, we will follow our previous tutorial, how to make bootable pendrive. Right-click on Rufus and choose Run as Administrator. Now select the pendrive from the drop-down menu. Click on Select Image button. Now select the Parrot OS image file and click Open. And leave everything as default. Then click on Start and choose Recommended and press OK. Press OK again to allow the format. This process will take up to 15 minutes. Close the window after complete the process. Right-click on Menu Tool Partition Wizard and choose Run as Administrator. Now select your pendrive. Right-click on it and choose Move/Resize. Leave some extra space for better work. Then click OK and apply these settings. Increase the free space if you will have trouble in booting. Restart your PC and go to boot mode and boot using this pendrive. Visit gbprat.com to know more about this. After booting with your pendrive, you will see something like this. Choose live mode. As you can see now. And now we are in live mode. Awesome. Search gparted or type terminal. And select root terminal. Now type gparted in terminal. And hit enter. It takes 15 seconds to load for the first time. Now select your pen drive. Then select unallocated and right click on it and choose new. File type ext4 and label it as persistence. Then click add. Then hit apply button and choose apply. We did partition successfully. Now this is our operating system. And this is our storage. In a single pen drive. Close it and open our terminal. Follow me and write the command. mkdir space -p/mnt/USB. This command will create a directory. Open the new terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. And type fdisk -L. And hit enter. Now find your USB storage device. Here is my pen drive storage device. Let's copy the name. And close the terminal. Then type mount, then paste the location and type /MNT/USB. Make sure both are same. Then type echo opening double quote, / space union, closing double quote, space, gratathan, space, / MNT, / USB, / persistence.conf. Then press enter. And close the terminal. Perfect. Now let's verify our work. Open File Manager. Then File System, then MNT, then USB. And open the persistence file. Now reboot your computer using this pen drive and choose persistence. Visit gbprat.com to know how to go into Boot Manager. Choose persistence and hit enter. And always choose persistence to boot. Congratulations, we made our persistence pen drive. And this is our storage limit, which is 23.4 GB. Now, you can run your OS on any PC. Just boot that PC into Boot Manager and choose persistence pen drive to load your hacking machine.